Alright, just wanted to pop in and give my thoughts as to what I'm seeing in the charts here for Bitcoin and the markets. I need everyone to expect a certain type of move that I'm foreseeing in the future here before we see some upside in the markets more than we've been seeing. Ultimately, I think we're going to pump, but I want you to watch out for a move that I'm kind of seeing develop in the charts here. We're going to go over that today. My name's Alex. This is Chart Junkies. Stare at these charts all day so you guys don't have to. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new here, it's good to have you. If you've been here before, welcome back. We use Elliott wave theory to go over these wave structures, develop high probability trades. Elliott wave is, look it up. I'm going to make a video series if you don't know what it is, but it's basically how markets move to capture liquidity. It uses Fibonacci. It uses wave structure, impulses, corrections, and if you train your eye to look out for these structures, guys, I'm telling you, you will thank me later. If you train your eye to watch for these structures, nothing's a surprise. Everything just happens as it should, okay? So, popping right in the chart here. Ultimately, guys, I'm just going to scope out to the daily real quick. You know where I stand if you've been watching these videos. I think we are going to correct this big leg down from the top. And I don't think we've corrected far enough yet. We're sitting at the 236 in my book, okay? I want to at least come to the 382, which is up around 36.9. Preferably, we're going to come and test these higher liquidity zones. That would be nice. I ultimately want the 618. I want this liquidity structure to be broken. I want to get up to 51 where my heart is. I mean, I don't know if it's possible. I don't know if Bitcoin's got it in it because, man, oh man, it's been struggling compared to what it usually does. I mean, all in all, we still had 100% gain on it. But, you know, when you're used to seeing just crazy structures, this is kind of boring, I ain't gonna lie. But we're setting up for something right now. Let's zoom in a little closer and see what we got. But, you know, where we're at, I see a correction. Some type of correction here, or this is a correction all the way up to here. And we're correcting this, and we can expect one more hit to the upside. But I want to see something along the lines of that, okay? And then we're gonna come down. That's the shape. This is just looking at the structure and how it's lining up. That's the shape that I want to see. I'm on the 1 hour now, zooming in a little closer. And we had a great impulse off this trend line pretty much. And the trend line is just from the whole structure here. I try not to use trend lines, guys. I really don't. In my experience, it never turns out well. Trust in these trend lines. Over the course of the next week, the end of this week into next week, I'm expecting a basically liquidity shakeout type of move here. And to the best of my knowledge from what I'm seeing here, it's looking to me as if you're going to see some sort of an ending diagonal. Like that. And then a correction like that to take out all this liquidity. It's just my most probable thing that can occur here. It is what looks the best. And then we see a nice hit to these upper targets off of that. Okay, zooming out. Where does that get us? something that looks like this. Pulling fibs. I want to either touch this liquidity zone here, which is what I kind of drew in. And, you know, you got price targets 40,000, somewhere in that range. If we extend, which we definitely can, up to these higher targets, then you're looking at 50,000, 47,000. Yeah, I mean, that's just what looks good to me, guys. So why do I think we're gonna have some type of movement like this? Well, first of all, looking at Ethereum, it's kind of setting up for some type of similar structure, where you have some type of correction here to the downside. Maybe take this out. Oops, making it too messy for you. And by the way, I'm counting this as a finished wave. That's a finished wave on Ethereum for me. I have an ABC down. I'm having some type of convoluted ABC up. And then a nice hit to the downside to correct this. And then we go up, right? And looking at it closer, how would that wave develop? Because we have an ABC off the top, ABC down to the bottom. A, B, C. Something like that. Okay? Or you could do the same thing as Bitcoin. Alright, this is kind of what I'm seeing, guys. Possible wave structures. Are they 100% accurate? No, but that's the general look and feel that you're going to get here. I want to see another down hit and then come up, break these highs. I don't care how it does it. I just want these highs to get broken, and then I want to come down. Take out these lows and then go. That's the structure. Bitcoin, same deal. Shit. Sorry guys, let me just actually erase all the drawings. Let's do that. Okay. Now, I mean, you might have a finished wave right here. You can call that a finished wave, and then you might be setting up for some type of flat action there. That would coincide more with Ethereum and what it's doing, but ultimately you got the same thing. You got these highs being broken, then you got these lows being broken, and then you go, right? That's it. Why do I think these highs are gonna get busted? It's pretty just simple and straightforward, guys. There's just liquidity sitting up here in the 31,800 range, 31.5, somewhere in there. You know, anywhere from 30,500 upwards to 31,500. There's just giant liquidity. Markets tend to go to where the money's at and where they can stop people out and liquidate people. So, you know, you see it time and time and again. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure that out. These exchanges want to make money, bottom line. So, I really want to see some type of move develop, break this high. Now, if we start just going, that's a possibility, and you could have some type of extended fifth. Expect a retracement. Maybe not as deep then. Maybe to come test this liquidity and then go. Okay? If this starts leaking down from here, we get a correction. Starts leaking, really not going to like it then. Really not going to like it. I still think we're going to have more upside. I do, but it might involve some funky stuff like that. come take this out, or you know, something. It might involve some shenanigans, so be on the lookout. Always trade responsibly. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that. If I see something different, if something else develops for me, you know, I'm gonna post a video about it. So subscribe to this damn channel. If you found this information helpful, leave a like, comment, all the things. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.